Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CRV. We're talking about that generation from year 2012 to year 2016. If you need to find where the fuses for the transfer case are located, also known as 4x4 fuses, stay with us. We'll explain which two fuses you need to check in two different fuse boxes, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means guys. But something else guys, here at the garage we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now another thing guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here, okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view guys of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So which fuses we need to check specifically guys for the transfer case, the also known as a 4x4 fuses. We will demonstrate on a 2015 Honda CRV. We have two different fuse boxes. We'll be working in both of them today. The first fuse box is inside the cabin, on the driver's side, under the dash guys, above the pedals. Look on the left side all the way up. You will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. Before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So which fuse we need to check here specifically for the transfer case guys? Okay, one fuse in this fuse box that we need to go to a different one. We're talking about fuse number 6 right here, 7.5 M fuse. If we zoom out so you can see the whole layout, we're talking about that fuse right here, fuse number 6. Now under the hood you have another fuse box. That's the main engine management fuse box. Open that cover, you will have that layout here. This is towards the front of the CRV, this is towards the windshield side. And here guys, okay, you will have one special fuse that's known as multi-block fuse, actually two of them. This one consists of 11 fuses, this one consists of 6 fuses. What they look like, this is the top view of the one that we need. This is the side view right here. And unfortunately, if one of them burns, we have to replace the whole fuse block. That's bad news. Good news, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can buy it from at a good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money. Here guys, we'll need to check starting from this side, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 30 amp fuse guys is for the transfer case right here as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.